Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to know if someone is online on Facebook Messenger. So, in order for us to know if someone is online on Facebook Messenger, all we have to do is to don't. I'm going to use an alternative, which will be Facebook, since I'm currently experiencing some issues with Messenger. And then I'm going to launch Messenger that is here at the top. From here, as you can see, this guy is online. And if we decide to text him, let's say I say hi, and as you can see, he was able to answer us back. And in order for us to know if he was actually online, as you can see just here at the top, there is a green circle that is located here at the profile. And that's how we can actually know people that we want to text or chat with in the messenger are actually online. So if we decide to try that again and ask him, how was your day? As you can see, he was able to reply. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.